Leaders of the premier tile industry trade organizations are proud to announce that a new tile installer certification program has been created. The Advanced Certifications for Tile Installers, or ACT, addresses 5 technically challenging installation areas of current importance to the tile industry. A specific certification test for each category evaluates the installer's skill and knowledge to determine if they have what it takes to produce a high-quality installation every time. 6 of the largest organizations representing tile contractors, installers, and manufacturers, including the Ceramic Tile Education Foundation, the International Masonry Institute, the International Union of Brick and Allied Craft Workers, the National Tile Contractors Association, the Tile Contractors Association of America, and the Tile Council of North America have come together to create what is now the only certification program that's recognized by the entire tile industry. The ACT program was created to give building and design professionals, project owners, and consumers a tile industry-approved mechanism for determining the qualifications of a tile installer on an advanced level. By providing this service, all parties involved can rest assured that the installation is being completed by tile mechanics that are at the pinnacle of their craft. So, how does it work? The ACT program, which is comprised of 5 individual certification tests, is not comprehensive, so installers may choose which certifications to pursue and can attain certifications independently. Each of these tests requires a unique skill set for certification. In preparation for the tests, installers are provided with a study guide to assist in preparing for the written exam, which includes 25 multiple-choice questions testing the installer's knowledge on the certification topic based on the relevant standards and industry best practices. Also included in the installer packet are the hands-on test instructions, the evaluation score sheet, and information on areas of potential failure points in that category. Upon successful completion of the written test, the installer is eligible to take the practical hands-on test, demonstrating his or her installation skills on a pre-constructed module designed specifically for the craft being tested. The practical hands-on test is conducted by trained third-party evaluators at training centers, manufacturers' warehouses, or other approved locations across the United States. The large format tile and substrate preparation certification tests the installer's abilities to determine if the substrate to be tiled meets the applicable industry standard for flatness, and if not, make the necessary corrections. The tile installer must also have the skill and knowledge required to install the large format tile in a pre-designated pattern, with installation meeting all appropriate ANSI specifications and TCNA handbook methods. The membrane certification requires the installer to demonstrate knowledge of the specifications for both liquid applied and sheet membranes, along with proper installation on floor substrates, drains, changes in plane, and penetrations. The mud floor certification tests the installer's ability to float an irregular concrete slab with mortar yielding a floor substrate that is both flat and level within the accepted industry tolerances. The mud wall certification test requires the installer to provide various wall sections that are plumb and level while meeting exacting size requirements. And finally, the shower receptor certification requires the installer to demonstrate the knowledge and hands-on skills necessary to successfully provide a leak-proof shower pan that adheres to TCNA Handbook Method B415. Candidates are eligible to participate in the ACT certification program only after successfully completing the Certified Tile Installer program offered by the Ceramic Tile Education Foundation, or having achieved Journeyman Tile Setter status through the International Union of Brick and Allied Craft Workers. These pre-qualified installers may register for ACT testing in either a union or open shop setting by visiting tilecertifications.com, which will provide registration requirements and test locations. The ACT program is the future for tile installers who are a cut above others in the field. Today's designers, architects, contractors, and consumers require the advanced skills and superior craftsmanship of a qualified installer. By gaining the ACT certification, better quality installers become part of the first wave of nationally recognized tile mechanics that will be eligible to work with some of the largest and most prestigious national accounts. ACT installers can expect a higher level of marketability and, as a result, higher wages. As industry regulations tighten and competition increases, more and more projects will require the use of installers with ACT certification. As a tile contractor or business owner, you can give your company the edge it needs to successfully bid on these projects by becoming ACT certified today. To start the certification process, please visit tilecertifications.com.